Excuse me, sorry.
Images of overcrowded buses are raising concerns today.
There are no seats, there's like nowhere to stand. The bus is packed.
In New York, despite the pandemic, more than 27 million commuters a month are cramming their way onto packed buses. Social distancing? Forget about it. Passengers are forced to squeeze their way through the crowd. While the number of new cases has dropped fewer than 100,000 a day, the discovery of 7 new variants, which may be more infectious than the original, is causing concern.
They're giving them bird names. Robin 1 in 30 states, predominantly the Midwest. Robin 2 in 20 states, predominantly in the Southeast. And then there's a pelican variant that's been discovered in 13 states. Plus
why bird names?
Using bird names, something people can remember. They're distinct, but they're not going to stigmatize a place or a group of people, and that's really critical here.
And Michael Strahan returned to the Good Morning America studio after testing positive over 3 weeks ago.
Two big
Hold
stories.
on for a second, Michael. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Yay, Michael's back in the house.
Back to those overcrowded buses. We showed you many people have no choice but to take the risk of traveling on them to get to work on time. But the good news here, there are things you can do to make traveling on public transportation safer. Our Stephen Fabian spoke with Dr. Jack Caravanos, professor of environmental health at New York University.
Make sure your mask is on, very tight around the nose. If you're really worried, you can put another mask over it. I prefer a surgical mask with the cloth mask over it.
Another piece of advice, stay off your phone and avoid talking.
I think a good practice is to turn your back. Don't be standing face to face with someone. Give yourself some distance and make sure you're not breathing someone else's air. People need to get back to work, but we got to make sure we do it safely.
Excuse me, sorry.
New York transit officials say people should wear their masks, adding they disinfect the buses every day to keep people safe.